Whoa, we got some pallets going on.
What are you gonna do with it?
They're painting it or firing it.
You firing? Be careful with it.
Yeah, that looks cool though. It's a cool design.
Yeah. It's some technique.
Setting wood on fire. Never heard of it before.
But look at this shape and.
So they're drilling
Drills.
in these things together. Okay, what are we gonna make with these pallets?
Okay, any guesses? Any guess? What
I'm
it could
guessing they're going to make a giant pallet hospital.
be? Interesting idea.
Yes.
I've
Or it looks like a tree house kind of.
Treehouse,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like obviously they're not building it in the tree, but they'll stick it up there. you know?
Yeah,
Maybe.
but tree house literally could be on the ground, not on the tree.
it could be a house.
house.
Okay, so we got a little porch going on here.
So, okay, it's. I think you're right. It's tree house.
It's a house. Okay, it's just
a house.
it's just
That's
a
it,
house. Okay.
House. But
for kids, I guess.
I guess so.
I mean, it looks too small to house,
For
normal-sized humans.
What are you gonna say?
That we're normal-sized. Okay, so what is that? A fence? A gate?
It's just.
Is it for a dog? It might be for a dog, like a dog house.
It's it's too fancy for a dog.
It's awesome. I would give my dog that house. I'd give my dog anything.
You gonna repeat it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy.
Film it and show us.
Okay, I'll do it.
Wow. If it's
Pretty nice
house
tiling.
for the dog, and I think you're right.
But like humans love their dogs, so.
Yes,
This
I
makes
love.
sense.
I also love dogs, but
And flowers.
flowers. But it's wow. Impression.
That's pretty impressive, yeah.
I'm impressed.
What did I say?
Yeah.
What did I say? It's
Wow.
for the doggy. You're getting an upgrade, bro.
Yes. Let's roll this thing.
Yes! Best dog house ever.
Wow. Do you think he like it?
I think he loves it.
Wow. I would love it.
Okay,
Nice.
got some little water bowl. That's good. Essential. Some foodies. Yay!
Nice. Nice.
I give this doghouse a 10 out of 10.
Me too. Me too. It's actually very impressive. Wow.
Not too bad. And he looks
Oh.
satisfied. Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah. I love my new house. Look at my new house.
Aww.
Wow. It's such a cute thing.
He's trained to be that cute. It's actually just, he's not actually that cute. He's just trained. He's an actor.
Whoa.
We got a match going on here.
Here.
Alginate.
For what?
Water. This looks like a cement mixture or something?
Okay, they use this match.
Or to make a mold. Yeah.
Mold with the match.
Yes. Seems like a weird mold.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's
Okay.
give them a chance.
We'll give you a chance, 5 Minute Crafts. Only this once.
Yes.
So it's a finger mold.
Finger mold. Okay, looks awesome.
Interesting.
But what's next?
What's the
Okay.
point? What are we doing here?
Good mold, for sure.
Is it gonna hold a flower or like a plant or something?
Match. You will put a match there and use the match for
So you don't have to hold it with your own
Yes.
fingers. What
Yes.
a genius idea, 5 Minute Crafts. Truly innovative.
So,
Okay, we got some plexiglass or something.
yeah.
Maybe windows for something? I don't know.
Oh,
Taping it together.
It's
Right now it looks like a mini fish tank. That's all I'm
Yes.
thinking. So I hope it's a mini fish tank.
I think it's another mold for
Slow motion drill. Nice. That's confusing. Is it going backwards or forwards?
they will. Yes,
What are they doing?
they're gonna make the diorama from the matches and
Okay.
these fingers. Most probably they will put the match which they burn on the beginning
Okay.
and there and put everything in epoxy
Okay.
resin. So
So they're gonna epoxy it and make it look like
it's-
it's burning under the thing?
Yes.
Ah, how are they gonna make the fire though?
let's see. Let's
Okay,
see.
Okay.
don't know.
So he's holding the burnt match.
Uh-huh.
We're pouring some epoxy resin in, as you predicted.
Yes.
Very astute observation. Epoxy paint. Ooh, like it just burned out.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Here we go.
Very pretty.
Nice. Very clever.
Not bad so far. Let's see. Finishing up the fill right to the top because epoxy can, you know, come down a little bit afterwards. Okay, it doesn't look very clear is the only thing I'm worried about.
I think you need to polish it, and they will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they're taking the mold out.
Okay. Wow. I thought
Interesting.
they will leave it there.
Yeah, me too. I'm confused now. Why?
Now they're gonna polish it.
They're polishing
Or
this,
some-
the corners first.
Oh, see?
Ah.
They did polishing first there.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Ah,
Nice
so you can hold it.
Yeah.
That's
Wow.
cute.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. Nice.
Okay.
Wow.
8 out of 10.
Yes.
Not bad.
Nice.
Okay.
What's a tool? Oh.
What does that thing do? Ah, it's for screwing. Okay.
For screwing anything
Pretty
you
cool.
can imagine, I guess. Nice tool.
Yeah.
We need to test it.
Yes, I think we should test that. Yeah.
Haha, if you can unscrew your bolt, you just need to cut it
What?
off.
Dang. Okay, I didn't know that was possible.
I love it.
Don't
Yeah,
bang
don't-
this. No. Your fingers will be decimated.
Oh.
That's nice for getting the first hit in. Excellent.
It's for very professional dudes.
Yeah, I think these are more
yeah.
professional people than we are.
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, I don't have my nail or my screw or something.
Oh, it's
all the way down there. But don't worry, here's a solution.
Some magnet bracelet or
Magnet
something.
bracelet.
And here we go. Actually, kinda useful.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so what is this now? We got a wire, like, gun thing?
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks, what is it? Oh, it's soldering.
Soldering iron.
What?
It's wow, nice.
That's awesome.
Nice, because you always, I don't know if you solder something, but
Yeah.
you're always trying to put the wire and
Yeah, hold
this
them at the same
thing.
time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's-
So this is hands-free, basically, aside
Yeah.
from, you know, clicking the button.
Okay. Sometimes it's yeah.
So, protect your teeth and your hands.
Exactly.
Get one of these cool gadgets.
Yeah, and we tested this gadget.
Yeah, it works?
Yeah, it works well.
Very good.
Butch did it, so wow.
Okay, if Butch did it, then it works.
I
Nail
mean,
gun,
Butch
regular
tested.
hammer.
He didn't do it. But
Okay.
oh yeah.
Okay, this looks like a baton. Oh, it's a magnet, so you
Yeah.
can pick things up you drop. That's useful. That's
Yeah.
useful for any workshop person. Save your keys. Okay.
To cut your mold using
Ah, that's a cool tool.
this. Yeah, nice.
I approve. That's cool. Now you put it in and it perfectly fits. Nice. Okay, wire twister.
It's
So that's just
a
using a
drill,
normal drill, yeah. That's a handy hack.
but for okay. It's a wire connector.
Oh, okay.
You can do it better than previous time.
With this little bit, yeah.
There was a problem, and this solution. Nice.
Very good. We're burning some paper now, it seems.
It's kind of random thing happens
I
here,
have no
right?
idea what's happening here.
Tools, burn. Okay.
Calcium glucinate?
chemistry thing. Yeah, we tried this.
Ooh, that looks like it comes from the depths of, you know, it's not a good place.
So, magnets. And
Ah, interesting. What's the
okay,
point?
yeah, it's magnets. They also trying to go together.
So we got red cabbage and we put it in some Sprite,
Yeah.
in some what? In some
They
soda
changed
and some
the
sugar.
color, yeah.
Really?
You didn't know it?
I had no idea. This is awesome.
Okay.
Acetone.
Acetone and yeah.
Foam person. Goodbye, foam person. This is the last time you'll go against me.
Yeah, they should do the another shape of Terminator
Yeah,
with
right.
this thing. It would be
Yeah,
awesome.
with the hand
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
out.
yeah.
I will be back. Awesome.
So, yeah, in the salty water, the
Cans float. Okay.
It's kind of possibly theoretically, yeah.
Okay, distilled water. We got some microwave action.
And
Coffee.
it start burning.
What? No way.
We need to try.
We need to test that.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, we got a Skittle that's getting melted for some reason.
Of course, because the bowl is hot.
Yeah.
In
So obviously,
okay.
burning an egg.
Yeah, to make it
Waterproof.
Waterproof.
Silver effect.
Yeah, we did it and it works.
That's neat.
Yeah. And
Cash paper. So this is receipt paper. Yeah.
yeah. And kind of she did not.
Oh, it's just an infinite
Yeah.
hole. Cool.
We tested as well.
But you couldn't see the bottom of it, so I don't really trust it.
But we tried it.
And it worked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch our video and you will find out how exactly it works. So, okay, if you froze your jelly, it will break like a glass.
Very nice. We got a
Yeah.
magnet. Another magnet. Looks like the Red Hot Chili Peppers logo. Battery.
And here we go.
And a spinner.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Metal
The
trumpet. Ooh. Neat.
Nice. We did this one.
Very cool.
Okay.
Got a little whirlwind with a fan.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Nice.
Not too bad. Not too shabby. Ooh, that looks nice.
And it works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
can
you know
imagine.
what? We
What?
tested.
I know.
We tested almost everything. So
We need more!
more reactions.